Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fabric sofas that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HONBAY Convertible Sectional Sofa. We recently purchased this sectional sofa for our small apartment, and overall, we are satisfied with our purchase. The sofa is compact and fits perfectly in our living room. The cushions are firm and comfortable, and we haven't experienced any sinking in, even after prolonged use. Assembly was straightforward, and we were able to put it together within 20 minutes without any tools. However, we did notice that the sofa is not as comfortable as we were hoping for extended periods of sitting. The construction is also not very durable, and we have noticed some wear and tear after only a few months of use. Additionally, the back of the sofa is not very attractive, so it's best to place it against a wall. Overall, we would recommend the HONBAY Convertible Sectional Sofa for its affordability, space-saving design, and ease of assembly. However, if you're looking for a more comfortable and durable sofa, you may want to consider other options. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Visconti Two-Seater Sofa. We recently tried out the Visconti Two-Seater Sofa, and we were impressed with its stylish design and compact size. The sofa was easy to assemble, and all the accessories were included in the box. The stain-resistant linen polyester fabric made it easy to clean, and the raised height of the sofa made it easy to vacuum underneath. However, we did notice that the seat depth of the sofa was only 19 inches, which may not be comfortable for taller individuals. Additionally, the back support pillows lacked support and may not be suitable for people with back problems. The seat cushions and pillows were not as thick as expected, which made the sofa feel hard and uncomfortable for some people. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish and compact sofa for your small living space, the Visconti Two-Seater Sofa may be a great option to consider. However, if you're taller or need more support, you may want to look for a sofa with a deeper seat and better back support. At number 3, we have the Aoowow Linen Fabric Sofas and Couches. The Aoowow Linen Fabric Sofa is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and comfortable mid-century modern sofa. The high-resilient foam and metal springs in the cushioning provide great comfort and support, making it a great place to relax and unwind. The sofa's perfect size makes it ideal for any living space, whether it's an office, apartment, or loft. However, the sofa's linen fabric may require more maintenance than other materials, such as leather or microfiber. Additionally, the sofa's weight limit of 500 pounds may not be suitable for larger individuals or families. Assembly is required, which may be difficult for some individuals. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish and comfortable mid-century modern sofa, the Aoowow Linen Fabric Sofa is definitely worth considering. At number 2, we have the TYBO ATLE 65 inches W Morden Linen Fabric Sofa Couch. We found the TYBO ATLE loveseat to be easy to assemble, with all parts and instructions included in the box. The dark gray color is resistant to dirt and simple atmosphere, making it a practical choice for any room. The loveseat is also versatile, with diverse functions such as armrest side storage pockets, USB charging function, and storage space inside the armrests. The TYBO ATLE loveseat is built to last, with a naturally sturdy solid wood frame wrapped in durable woven fabric. The back cushion and seat cushion are removable for cleaning, making it easy to maintain. The loveseat is also designed for easy assembly, with all parts and instructions cleverly packed in a box that can be easily assembled in 10 to 15 minutes. Overall, we recommend the TYBO ATLE 65 inches W Morden Linen Fabric Sofa Couch for those looking for a comfortable and functional loveseat that is easy to assemble and maintain. And finally, at number 1, we have the YESHONBAY Convertible Sectional Sofa. We found the YESHONBAY Convertible Sectional Sofa to be a comfortable and easy-to-clean option for a small living room or apartment. The L-shaped design allows for versatility in seating positions, and the long cushion can be customized to fit your space. The high feet design also makes it easy to clean the floor below the sofa. However, we do caution that the seat size might not be suitable for taller individuals, and some reviewers reported poor quality fabric. Assembly is also required, but the clear installation instructions make it easy to complete. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly and space-saving option for your living room or apartment, the HONBAY convertible sectional sofa might be worth considering. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.